Hello, dear parents, guardians, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The Abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient Abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.
Good morning, Teacher Jojo.
Wow, good morning. How are you?
We are fine, thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If it is okay, do like this. Now I see everything is okay. We are going to study, but before we start, is there any song we can sing?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Good. Now let's start.
Good morning, good
Uh-huh.
morning, good morning. This is a lovely day.
Oh, wow.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are to dance and laugh.
Wow. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Then sit down. You're a good student. You even know the song. Just amazing. Do you remember where we stopped the last time? On making 10?
Yes.
Do you remember what we learned?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Who can remind me what we learned in making 10? In making 10. We learned what? In making 10. We learned what? You are the one who's going to remind me. Me, I don't remember anything. Yes, Janelle?
We learned rules of making 10.
We learned rules of making 10. Very good. Another one. What else we learned about making 10? Yes, Alex?
We learned relative numbers
Oh, wow. Relative numbers.
and making and breaking 10.
We learned about relative numbers. Do you still remember the relative numbers?
Yes.
We use relative numbers on making 10. Okay, making
10.
For example, here, what if we have 2, then plus 5, and then plus 8. Do we have 8? No. How can we add 8?
We make
One by one. Want to see if you still remember. Yes, Nellis?
We make 10 and we return the relative number of 10
Of 8?
of 8,
Which is?
which is 2.
Very good. I make 10. And I return the relative number of 8, which is 2. Which is 2. That's what we learned on making 10, yes? Another example of making 10, and I can see if you still remember. I have to move in 8. And then plus 3. Do we have here 3 bits to add?
No.
We don't have. Because we don't have, it means we are going to use now here on tens to add that number we don't have, okay? That number I don't have is 3, right?
Yes.
Now, how can we add 3 here? We learned this. How can we add 3? How can we add 3? Yes, Eddie.
We make 10 and return the relative number of 3, which is 7.
Can you go and do it? Hold the pencil quickly. Go on the board and do it. Go and make 10, then return 7 so that I can see.
10.
Very good.
And then return the relative number of 3, which is 7.
Yes, very good. Now what is that answer?
The answer is 11.
Very good. The answer is
11.
Now I see you remember everything. Go back to your seat. Thank you so much. Because you remember everything. Now today we are going to study a new chapter which is called Breaking 10. Breaking
10.
Breaking
10.
Very good. We are going to study now about breaking 10. Very good. Now let us see about breaking 10, okay? We are going to study about breaking 10. Breaking 10. Very good. Our today's lesson is about breaking 10. Repeat.
Breaking 10.
Very good. Breaking 10. Now, even on breaking 10, we use what we call what?
Relative numbers.
We use
Relative numbers.
very good. We are even going to use relative numbers on breaking 10. Yes. On making, last time we used the relative numbers. Yes?
Yes.
And even now on breaking 10, we are going to use relative
Numbers.
Very good. Here I write the numbers. The relative number of 1. How can we know the relative number of 1? You have to ask yourself, yes? Because we are on breaking 10. Which number can I add on 1? Then I can get 10. Which number can I add on 1? Then I can get 10. What is this number? Which number can I add on 1? And then I can get 10. That number is the relative number. Yes, Arsene?
The number you can add to 1 and it makes 10 is 9.
It is
9.
1, 2, 3.
9.
1, 2, 3. Excellent. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Very good. That number we can add on 1 here. Then we get 10. That number is 9. It means the relative number of 9 is 1. And the relative number of 1 is
9.
Now tell me, what is the relative number of 1? What is the relative number of 1? The relative number of 1, yes, Gaia?
The relative number of 1 is 9.
The relative number of 1 is 9. Very good. Now, what is the relative number of 2? How can we know the relative number of 2? We have to think, which number can I add on 2? And then I can get 10. That number you can add is the relative number of 2. It is the relative number of 2. Raise up your hand and tell me. The relative number of 2. Who's going to tell me the relative number of 2? Puki, go and write the relative number of 2. Quickly. Go and write the relative number of 2. Yes. Let's follow. Puki, write for us the relative number of 2. Let us follow. Let us check if it is correct. Very good. Is it correct?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
The relative number of 2 is
8.
The relative number of 3. Relative number of 8, Doctor. Come quickly. Relative number of 3. Don't tell him. Think it in your mind. Is it correct?
Yes.
Very good. The relative number of 3 is 7. Because if we take 3 and then we add 7, our answer is 10. Okay? Very good. The relative number of 4. Eddie, you are going to write the relative number of 4 and tell us why that number you write is the relative number of 4. First of all, go and write the relative number of 4. And first check if it is correct. Yes?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. The relative number of 4 is 6.
Yes.
Eddie, why the relative number of 4 is 6? Look at the student and tell them.
The relative number of 4 is 6 because when you add 6 to 4, you get 10.
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Yes, the relative number of 4 is 6. Why? Because if you take this 4, yes, and you add 6, yes, answer is
10.
The relative number of 1 is 9. Why? Because if we take 1, we add 9. Answer is
10.
When we take 2, we add 8. Answer is
10.
Now, relative number of 5. Relative number of 5. Lucy. Relative number of 5. Quickly. Slowly. Good. Relative number of 5. The relative number of 5 is
5.
Why?
Because when you add 5 plus 5, the answer is 10.
Very good. Because if we take 5 and then we add 5, answer is
10.
1, 2, 3. Excellent. Very good. Now the relative number of 6. Alex. The relative number of 6. Let me help you. We're going to write now the relative number of 6. Now write 6. 6. Wait, let me help you. Which number are you going to write?
I'm going to write 4.
4. Let's write 4 together. 4. Very good. The relative number of 6 is
4.
Why?
Because 6 plus 4 is equal to 10.
Very good. Because 6 plus 4 it makes 10.
10.
Go back to your seat. Thank you so much. Now tell teacher the relative number of 7 is
3.
Easy. Nellis.
The relative number of 7 is 3.
Is 3. Very good. The relative number of 8. Pristine.
The relative number of 8 is 2
Why?
because 8 plus 2 equals to 10.
High five. Yes. The relative number of 8 is 2 because 8 plus 2 it makes 10. The last one. The relative number of 9. Close your eyes now. You are going to tell me. For each one, you have to tell me. You. Relative number of 9.
The relative number of 9 is 1.
Why?
Because when you add 9 to 1, it makes 10.
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Now see that you still remember the relative numbers and you know the reason why the relative number of 6 is 4 and the reason why the relative number of 7 is 3. Yes? Now all of you understand, right?
Yes.
It means on making and breaking 10, we need what we call relative numbers. And we must know the relative numbers. And to know the relative numbers is easy, okay? Because the relative number of 1 is 9. Why? Because if you take 1, we add 9, we get
10.
Very good, we get 10. Yes? That's why to memorize the relative numbers, it is easy. Okay? Very good. Now you understand the relative numbers and you understand why we use the relative numbers. Now let us see examples. Okay?
Yes.
Good job. Here we have an example. We have move in 9. minus 5. I'm going to do it and see how I'm going to use my relative numbers, okay?
Yes.
Good job. We have to move in 9. I move 9 here on the first road as we saw it on the last lesson, okay?
Yes.
Then plus 4. I need to add 4. Do we have here 4 bits to add?
No.
We have or we don't have?
We don't
We
have.
don't have. We don't have here 4 bits to add because we don't have. We have to shift on tens, okay? It means now I'm going to use tens because here on ones, I don't have this 4 to add. Because I don't have this 4 to add here, it means I have to shift on my tens, okay?
Yes.
So by adding 4, I make 10. I make what?
10.
Then I make 10. Make 10 is the same as plus 10, okay? Plus 10. And then after making 10 minus the relative number of 4. What is the relative number of 4? Is 6. Then I return 6. Okay? I add 4 and then minus 6. It means if I add 4, if I add 10 and then minus 6, it means I add 4. Are we together?
Yes.
And my question was about to adding 4. It means I'm done to add 4. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Because I make 10 and then minus the relative number of these 4, which is 6, it means I'm done to do plus 4. Yes?
Yes.
Good job. And then minus 5. Now it is about breaking 10. It is about breaking
10.
Minus 5. 5 is this. It is already up. How can I do minus 5 here? I break 10. I break 10. See how we are going to do minus 5, okay? I break 10. Break 10 is the same as minus. I break 10 already. Then after breaking 10, plus the relative number of 5, which is 5, plus the relative number of 5, which is 5, plus, okay? If I do this, it means now I did minus 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
Now I'm done to do my example. My example is about 9 plus 4 minus 5. The answer is 8. Good job. Let us do next example. Yes? Are we still together?
Yes.
You see how we are making 10 and breaking 10?
Yes.
Good job. Another question. Move in 7 plus 8 minus 7. Oh, your eyes here. It is 7 plus 8 minus 7. I'm going to do it on my abacus, yes?
Yes.
7. I move in my 7. Okay?
Yes.
Then plus 8. Remember, we want to add our 8, okay? I
Yes.
want to do plus 8. And here, I don't have 8 bits to add, okay? Are we together?
Yes.
My question is to add 8. And here I don't have 8. It remains only how many bits? 2. It remains how many?
2.
And my question is to add 8. It means, because here I don't still have 8, I shift, okay?
Yes.
On the road, on the next road, okay?
Yes.
Now I use 10. I make 10. My question was adding 8. Yes?
Yes.
Instead of adding 8, I add 10.
Yes.
It means now I have to return the relative number of 8. What is the relative number of 8? 2. Now I return 2. I'm done to add 8 now, okay?
Yes.
Then minus 7. Minus 7. I know 7 is ones. I
Yes.
come and check here on ones, right?
Yes.
And I don't have here 7 to add. add, right?
Yes.
Now, if I don't have 7, now I have even to come and use 10. Okay? But using 10 for minus 7, I return 10. That's what we call breaking. Yes?
Yes.
I break 10. Then after breaking 10, I add the relative number of 7. The relative number of 7, which is 3. Now the answer is 8. We are going to do the next example together, right?
Yes.
Here on my board, I have 8 plus 2 minus 6. Take your abacus, hold your pencil, make it clear, then let's answer this question, okay?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, if you are together, clap once. If you are together, clap twice. Oh, wow, we are together now, okay? And then we are going to try letter A, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your abacus clear?
Yes.
Are you holding a pencil?
Yes.
Now are we ready to use our abacus?
Yes.
And your abacus too?
Yes.
Yeah, you are going to use yours and I'm going to use mine, okay?
Yes.
Good job. Now, before we do, return everything we have. Yes? We are going to try letter A, okay?
Yes.
Now on letter A, move in 8 together. Move 8 on your abacus. Good job. Now I move 8. All of us will move 8 on our abacus. Good job. And then plus 2. Plus 2. Let me come and see on my abacus. Do we have 2?
No.
We don't have 2. How can we add 2? We are going now to do what? To make 10. Very good, because here we don't have to. It means you have to shift to the next road, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to make 10. Let's make 10 together. Make 10. Very good. And after making 10, we have to return the relative number of 2. Because our question was adding 2, and instead of adding 2, we add 10. That's why we are going to return the relative number of 2. The relative number of 2 is what, Doctor?
The relative of 2, which is 8.
Very good. The relative number of 2, which is 8. Now let's return 8. Let me come and check if you return 8. If you return 8 on your abacus. Very good. Now see that we are together. And then minus 6. Minus 6. 6 it is here on ones and we don't have 6 to return. Okay? We are even going to use our 10 for minus 6. Okay?
Yes.
So we break 10. Let's break 10 together. And then we do what? One by one. We break 10. Because we don't have 6. Yes, Christina.
And we add the relative number of 6, which is 4.
Very good. And we are going to add, okay? The relative number of this is 6, which is 4. Let me come and check the answer you have. If you get the answer, hands up. Alex, the answer is it?
The answer is 4.
Very good. The answer is 4. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You are the best. The answer is 4. Now let us write the answer. The answer is 4. We are going even to do letter B with me. Yes? So we have to move in 4. Then plus 7. Do we have 7 to add? No. We make 10 together, make 10. And return the relative number of 7, which is 3. Then minus 5. You have 5 to return? No. So break 10. Then add the relative number of 5, which is 5. Let me come and check the answer you have. Very good. What is this answer?
The answer is 6.
What is this answer you have?
The answer is 6.
Very good. What is this answer you have?
The answer is 6.
This answer is
6.
the answer is 6. Very good. Now the answer is 6. Now this question is for student. Yes? Not a teacher. You. Try. See. Quickly. and talk. Moving to. Talk.
Moving to
Plus
9. We don't have 9 to add. We make 10 and return the relative number of 9, which is 1. Minus 7. We don't have 7 to add. We break 10 and we add the relative number of 7, which is 3.
The answer is. Let me check your answers. Very good. The answer is
The answer is 4.
very good. The answer is
4.
Now I see that all of you have 4 on your abacus. The answer is 4. Then, next question. Moving 8. Move 8 on your abacus. Plus 3.
We don't have 3 to add. We make 10 and we add the relative number of 8, which is 7.
Minus 2.
We don't have 2 to add. We break 10 and we add the relative number of 2, which is 8.
Very good. The relative number of 2, which is 8. Who's going to tell me the answer? Nellis, what's the answer?
The answer is 9.
Very good. The answer is?
9.
Who may come and do the collection on the board? I want one student to come and try letter E. Yes, Hervé? One student to come and try letter E, and others, let's follow and see. Okay?
Yes.
Let's follow and see. Yes, come. Hold your pencil. Very good. Always you have to remember, if you are going to touch our abacus, hold our pencil. Very good. Letter E. Move in 5. Plus 5.
I don't have 5 to add. I make 10.
Very good.
And I return the relative number of 5, which is 5.
Very good. And then minus 3.
I don't have 3 to minus. I break 10 and I add the relative number of 3, which is 7.
Very good. The relative number of 3, which is 7. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Write the answer there. Take this and write the answer. The answer is 7. Very good. The answer is 7. Now, can we try to do mental about breaking 10?
Yes.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Then I want to see your thumb and point like this. You are going to do mental. Remember how we make 10 and we break 10. How we make 10, okay? And how we add the relative numbers and how we return relative numbers. Can you visualize that image? Yes?
Yes.
Good job. Move in 8. Plus 2. Minus 6. Minus 4. Plus 4. Plus 7. Minus 5. Minus 6. Plus 5. Plus 5 again. Minus 3. Who got the answer? Minus 3. Who got the answer? Let me go here behind. Yes, the answer is?
7.
The answer is 7. 1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Now open your book. Page is page on 84. Try the exercise here on page 85, the first table. Quickly. Try the exercise. Quickly. The page 84. Try the exercise. Here at 85. Try this exercise. Yes, put the abacus here. Then, so that you can concentrate. pristine abacus here, so you can see, wow. Perfect. Abacus must be here. Yes. Yes, Ruth. Arsene. Put the abacus there. Quickly. You have only 1 minute for how many questions? 15 questions. Quickly. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Yes. What you have to know is that for making 10, you have to memorize your relative numbers. Yes. For breaking 10, your relative numbers, okay? Do it quickly, then I can mark you. Yes, that's good. Any question, raise up your hand. I may come and assist you, right? If you have a question, ask. I may come and assist. Okay?
Yes.
If you have a question, come and ask. No problem. I may assist you if you have a question. Yes? Quickly. Done? Good job. Good. Done? Wow. Very good. Very good. And you done? Wow. Good job. If you are done, raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Good girl. Wow, excellent. Just amazing student. Done? That's good. Now, others, let us do the collection. Let us see if you get the same answer, okay? The question 1 was about 7 plus 3 minus 9, okay? All your eyes here, close the book. The question is 7. That is 3 plus 7 minus 9. Close the book. Close the book. Thank you. Good student. We have 3. Then plus 7. Here on ones, there is no 7. There is no
7.
It means I have to come on the second road to use which number? 10. I make 10. And then 10 the relative number with 7, which is 3. And then minus 9. Here there is no 9 on ones to return. So I have to come here on 10s, yes? I break 10. And I add the relative number of 9, which is 1. Which is 1. So what you have to memorize here, it is about the rules of breaking and making 10, right? You have to memorize the rules of making and breaking 10. Here it is the rules of making and breaking 10. It is easy, okay?
Yes.
Here, if we make 10, okay?
Yes.
We return the relative numbers. You have to keep that on your mind. For example, we want to add a number here on abacus. For example, here I have 9. Yes. And then I want to add a number here on abacus. For example, I want to add 1. And here I don't have 1. How can I add 1? It is making 10. Make 10. I have to make 10. Yes?
Yes.
By making 10, I do like this. And then, if we make 10, we return the relative numbers. Keep that in your mind. If we make 10, we return what? The relative numbers. The relative number of 1 is 9. Then I get the answer, okay?
Yes.
Rule number B, if we break 10, we add the relative numbers. We add the relative
Numbers.
For example here, I have 10. And I want to return 8. I don't have 8, okay? So I break 10. And remember on our rule, after breaking 10, we add the relative numbers.
Yes.
The relative numbers of which number?
8.
8. The relative number of 8 is 2. Then I add 2, okay?
Yes.
So you have to memorize that. Always, if we want to add a number, if we want to add any number, okay,
Yes.
And we don't have that number. It is making what? 10. It is make what?
10.
For example, we want to subtract any number. We don't have that number. It means you have to go and break. Break what? 10. Yes?
Yes.
You memorize this? So, before we end up today's lesson, who can remind me the relative numbers? Relative numbers. Relative numbers. Relative numbers. Hey, you don't know the relative? Stand up, stand up. Hey, do like this. Like a teacher. Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Up. Hey, doctor, you're going to tell me now. Relative numbers, tell me. Relative number of 1.
Relative of 1, which is 9.
2.
8.
The relative number of 3.
Relative of 3, which is 7.
Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. Arms down. Arms down. Ladies. The relative number of 4.
The relative number of 4 is 6.
Relative number of 5.
The relative number of 5 is 5.
Sit down. Stand up. Down. Stand up. Down. Stand up. Up. Up what? You are standing up. Elephant. The relative number of 6.
4.
The relative number of 7.
3.
The relative number of 8.
2.
The relative number of 9. All of you?
1.
1, 2, 3.
Excellent.
Sit down. Who can tell me the rules of abacus? If we make 10, we do what? After making 10, we do what? If we make 10, yes, Janelle?
Return the relative.
Very good. If we make 10, we return the relative number. And then if we break 10, Pookie. If we break 10.
If we break 10, we add the relative.
Very good. If we break 10, we add the relative numbers. And what if we have number here? For example, we have here 7, yes? And we want to add 3, and we don't have 3 here. How can we add 3?
Making 10.
Hands up. Yes, Arsene.
We make 10 and return the relative number of 3, which is 7.
Very good. We make 10 and we return the relative number of 3, which is 7. We have 10 here. We want to do minus 8. Minus
8.
Christine, how can we do minus 8?
We break 10 and you add the relative number of 8, which is 2.
Very good. We break 10 and we add the relative number of 8, which is 2. Very good. Now, next time I will teach you about making and breaking 10 as well as 5, okay?
Yes.
Making and breaking 10 as well as 5. That will be the next very interesting lesson, yes? But before we end up our today's chapter, I have to give you a homework, yes?
Yes.
It means next class you will bring my homework. Good. Here it is your homework. Here it is your homework. Thank you too. Thank you. It is your homework. It means next class you will submit teacher's homework before we start making and breaking 10 as well as 5. Yes? Yes, class?
Yes.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Now you can stand up with your homework and then go. See you next time.
Hello, dear parents, guardian, and children. My name is Brigitte Witonze from Shenmo Education Rwanda. This summer holiday, give your child a powerful head start in mathematics. Shenmo Education Rwanda, in partnership with Rwanda Basic Education Board, brings you the exciting Abacus Mental Math summer program, specially designed for primary school children, especially those in lower primary, from P1 to P3. The abacus is a traditional calculating tool used for performing fast and accurate arithmetic operations. Through the ancient abacus method, your child will learn to calculate faster than a calculator. This program improves concentration, sharpens the memory, boosts confidence, and strengthens overall academic performance. Abacus training helps children to develop strong memory arithmetic skills, logical thinking, and a love of mathematics that will last a lifetime. Parents and guardians, we encourage you to follow this valuable program together with your children on YouTube channel of Rwanda Basic Education Board through this summer holiday. Don't miss this golden opportunity to support your child's bright future. Let's together build a bright mind. Thank you.